Hello guys and welcome to the channel. This is a special video. I got sent some cookie dough from a company called Gookie dough. They sent me some and they want me to test it on my channel and give my honest opinion. But I thought I couldn't do that alone. I thought I'm going to need some help with this one. So yeah, I've got some help for this video. If you would like to get any, I will put the link in the description below from where you can get some yourself. And if you put English Eats 10 in the promotional code thing or discount code thing, you'll get 10% off of yours. A lot of people have done cookies. What I've done, well, what the kids have decided to do, because this is all they're doing it now as we speak, is we're going to have a milkshake with cookie dough. We're going to have Oreos, stuffed Oreos with chocolate around them, a cookie as well made into a shape of a unicorn, and something else, and a cupcake with cookie dough inside as well. So I'm looking forward to that. Right, well, once the kids have made everything, I'll bring you guys back and then we'll all give it a taste and see what we think of the product. So tune in, I'll see you in a second.
I've got a pink one.
Right, we're back. I couldn't stop them getting started already. We have cupcakes with cookie dough stuffed inside, and we have Oreo cookies with cookie dough stuffed and chocolate wrapped, and we have some cookies as well, some unicorn shaped cookies as well. We've done the red velvet and
milkshake too. You love it? You love that milkshake? It's yummy.
And we've got a cookie dough milkshake as well. What do you think of your milkshake so far, since you've already started? It's delicious. I've got a cream beard, but
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah, but I don't afford.
Milkshake's lovely. Right,
Pardon me.
what do you want to try first out of all of these things?
These. I'll try these. These. I'll try these.
Go on then, help yourself.
Help myself. Yeah.
Let me have some red velvet.
This is delicious. Daddy,
What?
this is delicious. Today this is delicious, and it didn't taste hungry. Tastes not nice.
Yeah, Mum, but your milkshakes are definitely so good.
Bye-bye to the fisty. DJ.
Now, the ice cream truck is here.
Yay!
Are you moaning?
Mummy, the ice cream truck is here. It's your turn, Beanie.
I want you to do it.
The red velvet's not too bad.
It ain't trouble. It's
Shout out to Emmy, Elena and Reese for making these
Mummy.
all themselves. They really enjoyed making them, so that's something else you can do as well with your kids if you get some yourself, and they will help you make them. But yeah, so far so good. They're quite nice. Let me try a cupcake.
biscuit.
And whipped cream on top.
And we daddy do
How
that.
did you do that? How did you get that all in your mouth?
Reese, come on, eat something.
No spitting, Reese.
And today we have a legs. We can eat legs, so we can eat so we can eat our legs. So
No, you can't eat your legs.
so we can't eat Dini's legs, so we can't walk never again.
Elena, you're a bit chocolatey.
And what?
You know what I do like about this is the things you can do with this is absolutely endless. You know, I was just going to do like cookies, but I felt like I wanted to showcase more things you can
Mum, I
actually
don't want
do with these.
All I want to go is be steady.
To enjoy. But yeah, so far I've had
And today we
3 of them and they're pretty nice.
Today we have this and one in the fan here.
You having this?
Yeah.
Okay, well that's a thumbs up from the kids. What they did try, they did really enjoy. So if you'd like to get some yourself, then the link will be in the description below. I also need to mention that this is not. And make sure you describe to my channel.
So I said.
Yeah, I just want to make it clear this is not a paid promotion.
Because I want to
I've
make
not
sure that
been-
we have lots of followers
Okay.
on YouTube.
Okay, there you go. Yeah, I just want to make clear this is not a paid promotion. I'm not paid for this. They just decided to send me something out and they wanted my honest review. I think that it's really nice. The stuff is really nice. You could do lots of different things with it. It's not just cookies. It's other things you can do with it beside cookies as well. So yeah, I think it's great. But yeah, I'll leave the description. I'll leave the link to the company in the description below. And yeah, thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you did enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.
Oh Dad, it's the best day!
Look at
Cookie dough is inside.
That's me!
You should.